Hello and welcome to the Administrator's Getting Started with Sugar video series. In this series, we'll be discussing the basics of setting up Sugar. This isn't intended on being an all-extensive guide to your implementation. Rather, this series covers key topics to get you started, provides resources for future learning, and familiarizes you with the Sugar administrative function. Specifically, we're going to discuss some basic terminology and typical uses of Sugar so that we all can begin on the same page. Sugar has its own terminology in referencing different groups of data. Each of your customers is considered a record in Sugar. Each record has its own unique information. In this case specifically, this is an account record. And a group of like records is called a module in Sugar. And in this case, it's the accounts module. Sugar consists of various modules designed to help you manage customer-related records, such as contacts, accounts, and opportunities. Each record can be linked or related to another type of record. So for example, if you're working with Sue Davis at ABC Company on a $25,000 sales deal, you can link all three of those records together. And if you place a call to Sue, you can log that call record and link it to Sue's contact record. Now let's walk through a typical use of Sugar. We'll start with marketing, whose primary job is to generate leads. They may do this through various means like purchasing a list of potential customers that can be imported into Sugar as a target. These targets can be grouped into target list by various filters and categories. These target lists can be added to Sugar's campaign module to create mass email marketing campaigns, which ultimately produce leads. Leads write a line between marketing and sales, whose main job is to cultivate those leads and close deals. Sales will qualify leads by sending and receiving email, placing calls, scheduling meetings, creating documents and presentations, and creating internal tasks to perform. Eventually, they want to convert that lead to an account or a business record, a contact, which is an individual that works for that account, and an opportunity, which is the sales deal. Other Sugar modules can be used during the sales cycle to track the progress or store information about the deal. And these can be linked to the account, the contact, and the opportunity. Once the sales deal is closed, a transition occurs to support, whose main job is to solve customer issues. These issues are logged in as cases. Some causes of these cases are internal issues and need a bug logged to fix the internal issue in the software or in the manufacturing process or even in the shipping department. Once the bug is fixed, then the customer case can be resolved. Now that you've reviewed the basic terminology and typical use of Sugar, you're ready for the next lesson, which is 5 basic steps to getting started implementing Sugar.